So number 14, what's this thing based off of? Square root of x. So what happens here then? The plus 5 is going to move it to the left 5. The plus 7 is going to go up 7. The negative reflects in the x-axis. And the 2 is going to do a stretch by a factor of 2. So basically, you're going to answer all the same questions right here. You'd answer all those same questions, but you write it out in a sentence. What are the changes that occurred? G of x moved, say left 5, up 7, stretched by a factor of 2, and reflected over the x-axis.
Could you not just write that little chart out?
I suppose you could. But if they wanted you to do that, they would have put the chart there. They would have just repeated it. They want you to actually write out what's going on. Okay? I guess. I mean, I don't read people's minds, but I'm thinking that if they wanted you to do the same thing, I mean, basically I wrote the same thing as I did just a second ago. Okay? You want to do number 15? Anybody have any issues with 15 or 16? Let's do 15 real quick here. So find the formula f plus g of x. So I'm going to add f of x and g of x together. And that doesn't I mean, it's minus, I guess, instead of plus. It's pretty rough. Find the formula for f over g. So you put f on top, you put g on bottom. Dang. Given the following problem, find g of x, h of x such that f of x equals g of h of x. Neither g of x nor h of x is solely x. Say that's 5 times fast. What would you remember doing these on one of our exams and figuring out that this was real easy after it was all said and done? H of x goes into g of x. So what would you make h of x, or g of x for that matter? H of x goes into g of x. Which one? H of x, you make 2x squared plus 4. So you pulled that out, so you need a placeholder. And then you still got plus 3 over here. So this goes into this right here with it, where there's an x. There's your two functions.